Yo, it's Go. Stepping up to the mic, designed for efficiency, I'm leaning, I'm tight. Concurrency king, no needs debate. With Goro teams, I dominate. Static typed, I'm built for speed. Compile times quick, I always lead. No legacy baggage, I'm fresh and clean. In the world of backend, I'm the new scene. Google's child, I'm born to thrive. In the cloud and surface, I come alive. No need for frameworks, my standards tight. In microservices, I shine bright. Go and Python face to face. In the tech world, to set the pace. Two titans of code, battling it out. Who will win? There's no doubt.
Python here, ready to drop some rhymes. Been around the block, I stood the test of time. Versatile and strong, from web to AI. In the data science, from a flying high. Django and Flask, my web game's tight. Machine learning libraries, I ignite. Readable and clean, that's my syntax. From beginners to pros, I've got their backs. Fit and dynamic, I'm easy to learn. In the coding community, I'm a major concern. Automation king, scripts on the fly. In the world of dev, I'm the apple of the eye.
Go and Python face to face. In the tech world, to set the pace. Two titans of code, battling it out. Who will win? There's no doubt. Go's got the speed, Python's got the flair. Both changing the game everywhere. From microservices to AI trends, this rap battle never truly ends. I'm Go, with a C-like feel. Memory safety's part of the deal. Garbage collection, I keep it real. In scalable apps, I seal the deal. No dependencies, I stand alone. In the container world, I found my home. Kubernetes loves me, that's a fact. In cloud native apps, I'm leading the pack. Python's packed with libraries galore. From TensorFlow to Pandas, I explore. Scripting and automation, I reign supreme. With a community that's fast, I fulfill the dream. Cross-platform, I run on all. From Raspberry Pi to Big Data Hall. In occasion and beyond, I pave the way. Empower coders every single day. Go and Python face to face. In the tech world, to set the pace. Two titans of code, battling it out. Who will win? There's no doubt. Choose your side, pick your fight. In the world of code, both shine bright. Go and Python, both in their prime. In the realm of dev, they redefine. So choose your side, pick your fight. In the world of code, both shine bright. Go and Python, both in their prime. In the realm of dev, they redefine. I'm Go, with a C-like feel. Memory safety's part of the deal. Garbage collection, I keep it real. In scalable apps, I seal the deal. No legacy page, I'm fresh and clean. In the world of backend, I'm the new scene. Go with the serious and AI trends. This rap battle never truly ends. I'm Go, with a C-like feel. Memory safety's part of the deal. Garbage collection, I keep it real. In scalable apps, I seal the deal. No legacy page, I'm fresh and clean. In the world of backend, I'm the new scene. Go with the serious and AI trends. This rap battle never truly ends. Oh, grew though. Okay. So choose your side, pick your fight. In the world of code, both shine bright. Go and Python, both in their prime. In the realm of dev, they redefine. So choose your side, pick your fight. In the world of code, both shine bright, bright, bright. Go and Python, both in their prime. In the realm of dev, they redefine.